Deb with Home Cooking is for the Birds. Let's just go ahead and jump right into this yummy, yummy crockpot meal. We're going to start off with a 32-ounce bag of turkey meatballs from Walmart. And by the way, I loved these meatballs. They were the best I've tried so far. And I only used half of this package because it's just my husband and I, but you can go ahead and use the whole package if you need to. I've got 2 cups of sliced mushrooms, and those mushrooms are optional. That's up to you. Some people don't like mushrooms, and you don't even need it in this recipe. And now we are going to add a little salt, just a little, and pepper to taste. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 1 packet of brown gravy mix. Add half of a sweet onion, diced. 1 cup of water. 2 to 3 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Let's give this a mix. And once I mixed it, I decided to add another half a cup of water. So that's 1.5 cup of water total. And guys, I was in such a hurry to throw this together, I forgot to add the can of cream of mushrooms. So add a can of cream of mushroom to this. Give it a good mix, and we are going to cook this on high for about 2 hours, or you can cook it on low for 4. I have also cooked this all day long, about 6 to 8 hours on low as well. After cooking this 2 hours on high, I went ahead and I cut my crock pot off, and I'm going to add about 3/4 cup of sour cream to this. I don't like to add the sour cream in some of these recipes in my crock pot till right towards the end, simply because they tend to curdle a little, and I don't like that. It's just not pleasant looking. But go ahead and add your sour cream and give it a really, really good mix. And then we are just going to let this sit and cool off, or you can even put it on low for about 30 minutes after you do this. Either way. And voila, this is ready to be served. And y'all, we had this over some mashed potatoes last night, and it was absolutely delicious. This is one of my favorite crock pot meals. This can even be served over rice. We really like it that way, or pasta.